Oh, hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl Norleen, and today I will be demonstrating 2 ways Jamaicans prepare chicken feet. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, stay for the entire video, and please hit that like button. Alright guys, so I have cleaned, washed, seasoned, and allowed my chicken feet to marinate for about 2 hours. In my pressure pot guys, I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I've added my chicken feet to that guys, and then I allow this to fry so that I can add flavor to my chicken feet. So about 10 minutes guys, as you can see it is all done. And to my season that was left in my container guys, I add to that some broth guys. I cover my chicken feet and allow it to pressure for about 20 minutes. Now while this is happening, I want to wish for you happy holidays to you and your family, and I look forward to seeing you in 2024. Please remember, stay with my channel, share my channel with your friends, and encourage them too to subscribe. Let me thank my loyal viewers and subscribers who have stayed with me throughout 2023, and of course thank you for your support, because without you this channel would not be possible. So after 20 minutes guys, my meat is tender guys, and in a frying pan I've added to that some carrots, tomatoes, onion guys, bell peppers, and some garlic. I then saute my vegetables and add to that guys almost all the stock from the pressured chicken feet. In another pot guys, I've added to that some cooked red peas guys, half cup of coconut milk, and I allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I add to that my pressured chicken feet guys. Now guys, as you can see, I am doing 2 separate meals guys. I am doing this specially for you, so stay with me and you see how all of this goodness go down. All right family and friends, so my vegetables have done sauteing guys, and I have removed all the vegetables and use half of the stock. To that I've added a tablespoon of curry powder guys, and allow this to cook for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes I added the half of the vegetable guys, the stock, and the chicken feet guys, and I cover this to cook in for about 10 minutes. Now guys, we're gonna jump right over into the next part guys. As you can see, it's simmer looking good, smell good, can done guys. I'm gonna add to that some seasoning guys, and your can Jamaican stew peas, if not spinach not in it. So guys, yeah, jump back in my curry pot. I'm gonna add to that my vegetable guys, just some fresh vegetables, and this is for just color and the texture. Add a little pinch of salt guys, and some tomatoes, and then I allow this to simmer. All right people, see there, yeah, my stew peas pot almost ready. I'm gonna add in a little bit of seasoning guys, add a little pinch of salt. I encourage you guys to just hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. Please like my video, comment guys, and of course I thank you so much. Now guys, me I plate up all of the goodness here. Just look at this guys, and yes, the spinach them there, yeah, the local dumpling something them guys, yeah, it's a Jamaican thing. If you know, you just know. All right, see the people, now this not take long for the people, so after about 5 minutes the spinners should be ready. See the people, just look at this. All right family and friends, see there, stew peas at its best, curry chicken feet, good can done. I am serving this with some couscous guys, some cucumber slices, and tomato slices. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I invite you to come back next week where I'll have another interesting video for you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. See you next week guys.